on pre-commissioning and commissioning safety. By Muhammad Zamiruddin Zamir, HSC trainer, assessor. Everybody can keep in touch with me through email on mzamiruddin5@gmail.com, mzamiruddin5@yahoo.com. Session objective. The objective of this session is to introduce about oil, gas, refinery and fertilizer plants, pre-commissioning, commissioning and its activities for new projects or modification to existing system. Describe expected hazards, risk of oil, gas, refinery and fertilizer plants, pre-commissioning, commissioning for new projects or modification to existing system, and incident case study. As we will see, introduction to pre-commissioning. Definition. Pre-commissioning is the execution of inspection, checks and tests on all individual components within a completed system to verify that they are supplied and installed in accordance with the engineering design, specification and drawings. Commissioning means those activities immediately following ready for a startup. We can say RFSU, including nitrogen purging and operating plant and or equipment. It covers all activities from ready for commissioning through the initial acceptance. Pre-commissioning activities. The pre-commissioning includes all activities required to get ready for commissioning, such as line checking, line flushing, air blowing, water flushing, steam blowing, oil flushing, chemical cleaning, physical cleaning, catalyst loading, the inside of vessel material loading, chemical loading, instrument loop test, function test. You can see one picture of line flushing through air blowing, and second one line flushing also from steam blowing. Some more activities of pre-commissioning activities. Rotating machine mechanical running test, often people say AMRT. Refractory system dry out, tightness test, inertization, purging and gas blanketing. Test using temporary power supply, temporary and permanent electric power, energizing and operation. Commissioning activities. Feed into plant, load up and stabilization of operation, full load operation, performance test run, provisional acceptance certificate PSC, handover, final acceptance certificate. Why is pre-commissioning safety important? If we will see on hazard and risk, because in case of any incident will be happen during commissioning, the consequence could be catastrophe. The nature of pre-commissioning incident can cause multi fatalities and huge property damage. Some pre-commissioning and commissioning hazards such as high noise level, high temperature, high pressure, high velocity, high voltage, hazardous substance, spills and leak, or rotating equipment. If we will see characteristic, then phase construction, characteristic static. So obviously hazardous energy will be low for personal or property. Pre-commissioning characteristic dynamic, hazardous energy medium. Commissioning dynamic very high for person, fire, explosion, chemical or environmental problem. Hazardous energy source found in the workplace. Electrical, three types: generated, static, stored energy. Mechanical, also three: transversing motion such as conveyor, rotating motion any wheel, reciprocating motion back forward or up down. Thermal, related with temperature, hot and cold. Chemical or gas, or potential or pressure, hydraulic, or we can hydro also, pneumatic, vacuum, spring, gravity. Stored potential energy can be released during work causing injury or death. You can see this type of incident due to high velocity or pressure, burn injury from steam caused by non-releasing of steam pressure inside the pipe, residual energy, or gas chemical could leak. Hydraulic, mechanical failure, electrical or fire explosion. Incident case study number 1, gasket failure. A substandard gasket was used, incorrect installation, and contributing factor for the incident included failure of quality control and commissioning check to identify the risk, leak point, damaged gasket. Incident case study number 2, burn injury. During steam blowing, this is temporary piping for compressor. So this pipe was hot and one person leg touch here, so you can see injury happen. So be aware, be careful, and all temporary pipe should be also properly insulated and barricaded and insulated also. This session has covered about introduction to oil, gas, refinery and fertilizer plants, pre-commissioning, commissioning and its activities for new projects or modification to existing systems. Expected hazards, risk of oil, gas, refinery and fertilizer plants, pre-commissioning, commissioning for new projects or modification to existing system, and incident case study. Part 2 will cover about safety measure of oil, gas, refinery and fertilizer plants, pre-commissioning, commissioning for new project or modification to existing system. So this is explanation of session part 2. Please watch part 2, search key pre-commissioning, commissioning safety part 2 by Samir.